Welcome back to my channel, my sweet and dear lovely viewers. This video is meant for those who have been finding it hard to list your Havah Testnet on OpenSea, and which is very detailed. Which the detail drop in the WhatsApp were very clear, but some people are still finding it hard to go through. So I'll just show you a guide on how to go about it. So easy. So now let's just go through this. Let me show you. This is the WhatsApp group. Yeah, my yeah, this is it. So forget all these stories from beginning. This is where the main stuff starts. This one actually, if you follow me on my video or previous video on how to go about running Haver, you know that we've done this already. We've done this meter. That's where we bridge NFT. We've done that already. So this is what we need to do next. We need to go to OpenSea. That's for those who have done the first part. If you are yet to do the first part, I'll drop the video in the video description section so that you can take part in that before you come to the second option. So now I'll copy this option, copy link address. I'll go to the, I'll just paste it anywhere. Just do this, paste it here since I don't need this anymore. That's OpenSea testnet. Make sure you remember the wallet you use for the MetaMask wallet you use for claiming for bridging. So I actually use it. I actually bridge to Ethereum chain. So this is the wallet I use. So now I'll be connecting the same wallet. You can see the wallet has even connected already. So but for the purpose of this, so that you can understand how to go about it, I will disconnect the wallet. So when you come up to the page, your wallet won't be connected. Just click on this wallet sign. Just click on it here. Then click on MetaMask. It depends on the wallet you use actually. Some might use Phantom, Bitkeep, and so on. So you can see it has connected to the active wallet on my MetaMask, which I said is the wallet I use to create this thing. So you go to your collections. These are the items I collected. You can see I collected 2 items. The mistake I did was I for those who follow me in the group, you hear me say I shot myself in the leg. So that's what I did. I used 2 wallets, and both wallets I use the same MetaMask wallet for both. So I don't care. If I don't get it, then it was never meant to be mine. So but for the purpose of this tutorial, for you guys to understand, you're supposed to see one here, just one of the NFTs. Don't be confused that why am I having two? Just forget that part. You're supposed to see one. So just click on list for sale. So you can just list it for any amount. If you follow, the reason why I said everything is clear is, you see they say press the sell button on your OpenSea profile and list your NFT. You see, it's so easy. It's just as it's written here. So I don't know why people are complaining that it's hard. So you can see the reason why you see all these details here. Maybe that's what is confusing you. It's just because some people might have used BSC, Polygon, or any other network, but me, I'm using Ethereum. So that's Goali. You can see the network on this my MetaMask here. You will see that it's Goali test network. You can see this is Goali. But if you are using BSC, it has to be testnet.bsc chain or faucet. And so this is where you claim faucet actually. But if you're using that particular chain, it has to be, if you're using BSC to be BNB testnet, you're using Polygon to be Polygon testnet. So that's just it. You should remember what you use. So that's how to go about it. Then let me just go back to finish everything. I can just decide to list for example, I can just say 2 ETH, then set duration 1 month, or when I can just say 6 months. You can pick anything. You can start dates today, fine. Then I'll just say you can just pick anything, fine, it's okay. Complete listing. So it will ask me to approve transaction. Approve transaction, then confirm. Still loading. Let's just give it a little time. As you can see, it just showed transaction approved. So I'll sign again. sign the transaction. Just if the sign doesn't highlight, just click that drop down arrow that you see there. So you can see it has listed already. Your item has been listed. You can just view listing. So you can see this is my item. It has been listed for 2 ETH, and this is it. So now if you want to cancel listing, you can cancel here, but I don't there's no point. So this is where I was actually directing you to, my collections. That's where you see your items. Sorry, I'm coming. Sorry, you come to profile, not collections rather. Sorry. So I've listed this already. This is the first one. So the second one, you'll be seeing one, as I said earlier. You don't need to bother about this. I'm just showing you for you to know that I can actually list the boats on the on boats that I have in my wallet, in case you made the same mistake or something. And just do same, just list them, and that's all. Nothing much. That's all you need to do on this particular section. So once you do this, you are fine. So for those who are here to do this, please just try and make sure you do this, so that whatever it is that is coming our way, let's make sure we earn it to the best of our we take the advantage. And this is what I was actually asking you to press. Just click on this drop down arrow where this mouse is. Just click on it. You see the sign is now highlighted. Please, I will urge you to try to always use PC if you have one, though it works for phone as well, but it's smoother and easier when you use PC. So thank you very much for watching the video. As you can see, everything is done now. Everything is listed. So thank you very much for watching the video. See you in my next video, and please don't forget to share with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like the video, drop your comments, and show some love, guys. Thank you very much. Bye for now.